In this video, we are going to discuss about change management. So what is a change management process? A change management is nothing but minimizing the impact of change. So we minimize the impact of change by using this change management process. So coming to the change management objectives, study the adverse impact of change and minimize it. That means we study the adverse impact of the change and what is required to have a change there, and after implementing this change we minimize it based on the impact. Create and maintain a change management process. So we create the change management process and also we maintain the change management process for each and every project or organization. And also we prevent unauthorized changes. So there will be an approval team which needs to be approved, then only the authorization will be formed for implementing the change. So preparing change and backout plans via FSC and provide PSA. So what is an FSC? It's a forward service for change and projected service availability, PSA means. So we prepare change plans as well as backout plans based on this FSC and PSA. Post implementation reviews of the changes. So after implementation, what are the reviews? We take a report and review it accordingly. Maintain a record of all changes. So we maintain record for all the changes, and whenever we require a change, we implement it to minimize the impact. Note, change management does not implement change. So change management team does not implement change. It only reviews and report and also minimize the impact. So coming to the key concepts of change management. The scope of change management is the first key concept, followed by change types, RFC, change classifications and prioritization, change models, and we also see what is CAB advisory board and ECAB, FSC, PSA and backout plans. In the next videos, we will be discussing about the key concepts in detail.